Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Palak Jain, consultant neonatologist and pediatrician at KIMS Cuddles Hospital, Electronic City, Bangalore. And today we will be talking about one of the most beautiful ways and the most beneficial ways of connecting with your newborn baby, which is baby massaging. Infant massaging is not just a cultural thing. It has been clinically proven to be beneficial when done correctly. It improves the weight gain of the baby. It strengthens maternal or parental bonding with the child. It also supports the neural development of your baby. It enhances gastric motility and increases the insulin secretion, which helps in better nutrient absorption. It increases melatonin and serotonin levels in the body, which helps to establish a better sleep-wake cycle in the baby. What all are the do's that can help you to achieve all the benefits of massaging? First, do the massage when the baby is awake and calm, which is generally in between the feeds, especially 30 to 45 minutes after the feed. The massage should always be done in a warm and quiet room. The massage should be done using only unscented, cold pressed vegetable oils, out of which coconut oil is the most preferred one for baby massaging. Do wash your hands before massaging the baby and do not forget to warm it before you touch the baby. The ideal duration of a massage is to be 10 to 15 minutes per session, and you can massage the baby once or twice in a day. Coming to all the don'ts of the baby massaging, you should not massage the baby when the baby is fussy or is drowsy. The massage should always be baby-led. Do not use excessive pressure as it can increase the stress hormone levels in the body. Do not do vigorous stretching or limb pulling as it can increase the risk of ligament injury or hip dislocation in the baby. Do not apply excessive pressure over the soft part of the skull, and do not apply direct pressure over the spine. Avoid the use of mineral oils, all the olive oils or any scented oils, as it can cause irritation to the newborn baby's skin. Now, I'll be guiding you through the correct technique of baby massaging. First, start with the legs using the milking stroke. Slide down your hands gently, one after the other, starting from the thighs towards the ankle in long, rhythmic and smooth movements. Then, you should gently stroke the sole of the foot using your thumbs down from the heel up towards the toes. How we have massaged the legs, in a similar manner we have to massage the arms of the baby, starting from the shoulder towards the wrist. Then you should massage the belly. For massaging the belly, use your palms in round, circular, clockwise motion like this. But always remember to massage the belly only after the cord has fallen off. Coming to the chest of the baby, you should place both your palms in the center of the chest, that is at the sternum, and then gently stroke towards the outward side, towards the shoulders, like you are encircling a small heart, like this. Now, at last, we will massage the back of the baby. For this, put the baby in the prone position and then gently stroke along the sides of the spine, starting from the leg down towards the buttocks. Then use your palms or your fingertips to massage over the shoulder blades in long circular motion like this. Baby massaging is an incredible tool for bonding and relaxation of the baby. You just have to follow the baby's cues and enjoy this time a lot. Happy parenting.